In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To clear your cache on Chrome, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Next, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open up this menu, and what you want to do is come down on this menu and click onto settings. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your settings. From here, come over to the left hand side, and on this menu you want to click onto privacy and security. Then in the privacy and security section, just down here, you want to click onto delete browsing data. What that's going to do is open up a window like this, and from here you can see we've got some different items we can delete, including browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and download history. You can also click show more to show further options, but to delete your cache, all you want to do is untick the download history and browsing history and your cookies and other site data, and just leave the cached images and files selected. Once that's done, come up to the top and choose what sort of time range you want to delete this for. Of course, if you want to completely clear your cache, come and click onto more over on the right hand side and select all time. Once that's done, come and click the delete data button, and what that's going to do is clear your cache on Google Chrome. So that is how to clear cache in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.